The brush arm holds the motor brush and aligns it with the armature's commutator. The arm pivots, which allows it to lower as the carbon brush wears. The brush spring applies tension to the arm to keep the brush pushed firmly against the commutator. If the motor is overloaded, it may overheat, which can damage the brush arm. Replacing the brush arm is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. I'll also remove both of the motor brush covers. Now I'll separate the lower half of the handle from the motor housing, and I'll remove the separator fan. To remove the fan, I'll lock the grinder just as if I was going to remove a grinding wheel, and then unscrew the fan. And this is a reverse thread. Now remove the separator fan housing. Next I'll remove the motor brush. I'll remove the wire lead and pull the tension spring away from the arm. The tension springs will lock out of the way on these plastic posts. I'll pull the arm back and remove the brush. With the brush removed, now I can remove the arm. It's secured with a little screw. You'll need a number 6 Torx driver to remove this screw. And I'll remove the arm. Now I can install the new brush arm. I'll transfer the felt seals from the old arm to the new. If the seals are worn, you'd want to replace them. Now I can install the arm assembly back onto the motor. I'll slide the arm onto the plastic post and secure it in place with a cap and screw. And be careful to not over-tighten the screw. Now I'll reinstall the brush. I'll reconnect the brush wire and place the spring back over the brush arm. Now I'll reinstall the separator Fang shield. I align the top with the motor housing and slide it into place. And now I can reinstall the separator fan. It is reverse thread. I'll thread it into place, lock out the gearbox again, and tighten up the fan. I'll reconnect the lower half of the handle to the motor housing. And as I do, I'll make sure that I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Now reinstall the handle cover and secure it with the screws. And the brush covers. And that's all it takes to replace the arm in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.